welcome back to my channel, The Sociable Savvy. Today we're going to discuss an exciting new topic to level up your social media game. We are going to dive into the world of the 4 C's of social media marketing. So if you've ever wondered what the 4 C's are or how they can benefit your online presence, you've come to the right place. So let's get started. So before we begin, let's establish what are the 4 C's of social media marketing. So the 4 C's are content, context, connection, and conversion. These 4 C's are essential to any successful social media strategy. They are going to help you build relationship, create connections, and ultimately achieve your marketing goals. So now let's break them down one by one. So content is king in the world of social media. Content is referring to any of the material that you are sharing on your social media platforms, whether that be posts, videos, images, or articles. Making sure that you are sharing high value content that is relevant, informative, visually appealing, and entertaining is crucial for capturing the attention of your audience and encouraging engagement. Now remember that this content that you are sharing needs to align with your brand's culture and also resonate with your target audience. Moving on to the second C, which is context. So context is going to refer to where your content is shared and consumed. So in order to do this properly, it is important that you know your customers' interests, their behaviors, and their preferences, as well as what social media platforms they are on. Once you can tailor your strategy to the platforms they are on and their behaviors, you are going to get your audience's interests and encourage engagement. But remember, each platform has its own unique characteristics and best practices, so always adapt accordingly. Now let's talk about connection, which is the 3rd C of social media marketing. Connection is going to focus on building and nurturing those relationships to your audience. So social media offers you a direct link to speak to your audience, respond to their comments, and address their concerns. Engage in these conversations, ask questions, and actively listen to what your audience has to say. By doing this, you can build trust with your audience, brand advocacy, and long-term loyalty, which are going to be crucial for your brand's long-term success. Last but definitely not least, we have conversion as the 4th C of social media marketing. So conversion refers to making your social media efforts turn into tangible results, such as sign up, sales, or any other desired outcome. So in order to understand your conversions, you need to have clear objectives for your social media strategy. So use persuasive calls to action, engage with your audience, and make sure that you are using your social media power to turn your engaged following into loyal customers or clients. And there you have it, the 4 C's of social media marketing: content, context, connection, and conversion. By leveraging these 4 essential pillars, you can build a powerful social media strategy that's going to drive engagement, create relationships, and ultimately help you achieve your business goals. Thank you so much for watching. I've listed all of my social media profiles next to me. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to make sure you stay up to date on the latest social media info. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.